Hey, what's going on guys? So in this video, I'm going to share with you a unique way of promoting your TikTok products. Yes, because if you have created a TikTok shop, free TikTok shop, and you have listed some product after watching my videos, then now at this stage you might be thinking of how to promote your products to get sales. So basically there are three ways to promote your TikTok product. Actually there are not three, there are four. But the fourth way is to just start creating content by yourself on TikTok, create some videos of yourself, of your product, and then start getting sales. But this is something not every seller want to do. So that's why I don't consider this way as a good marketing way, because these are two different ways. Some for sellers and some for creators, right? So for the sellers, there are three main ways. Number one is to run TikTok ads, which I've already explained in my past video. And number two is to reach out to some creators so they can actually get money from you and promote your product on their TikTok page so their audience can purchase your product from their link, right? But the third and the most efficient method which I found is the affiliate program method. Yes, and this is something that no other platform is providing to their sellers, and that is the only thing that makes TikTok shop different from other marketplace. And due to this feature, I think that TikTok will be able to stand out in the market in the competition, right? So basically in this method, what you have to do is you have to basically list your product and register your product as an affiliate product with whatever commission you want to give to creators, right? So for example, you are selling a spoon. So all of those creators who are basically finding some product, so they can actually enroll their account into the affiliate program of that particular product, and they can actually start promoting that product on their TikTok page. Like they can create content and promote that product, and whenever someone purchases that product, they can actually get commission, right? So basically if you enroll your product into that affiliate program with free of cost, so after listing your product, you don't have to do anything. You have to basically sit back and relax, and creator in your product category can actually reach out to your product automatically, enroll into the affiliate program of your product, and start promoting your product automatically to get their commission, right? So if your product is good, eye-catchy, trendy, and having high demand, so obviously many of the creator will reach out to your product quickly, and they will keep enrolling themselves into your affiliate program, and they will keep promoting your product and bringing you the sales just because of their commission. And due to that, you will get the benefit. You will start getting a lot of sales on your TikTok shop, on your TikTok product, and enjoy those sales and make money. Isn't it interesting? Yes. So if you want to learn this process step by step, like how you can actually enroll your TikTok product into that affiliate program, then keep on watching this short video completely till the end, step by step, because this short video can actually help you a lot to make passive income without even doing anything. And if you want to learn more about TikTok shop, like how you can actually find some winning product for your TikTok shop, how to promote them, how to get the money, and some other tips and tricks which can actually help you to grow your TikTok shop to the next level, then make sure to watch my other videos in this TikTok shop series, which are completely free and full of knowledge. But before getting started, I'm Uzair, and I run multiple online businesses like Amazon, eBay, Shopify, affiliate marketing, and YouTube. That gives me financial freedom and allow me to travel the world without having any worry of 9-to-5 job. So if you also want this freedom to working remotely from anywhere in the world, then make sure to subscribe to the channel to learn more about online earning for free. And if you're confused at where to start, then you can just simply visit the link ways2sellonline.com/start. So you can just find some useful material from there and get a complete roadmap from where to start. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on my laptop right now, and from here I have opened the link shop.tiktok.com. So basically when you open that link, you will be able to see how TikTok shop works, and you can see that how this creator is basically promoting this product, and on the bottom you can see that there is a buy now button for that product. So whatever product any creator is showing in their video, so the viewer will be able to see the shop now button under that product, and they can actually purchase that product within the TikTok app without going outside for any website. So basically this feature makes this TikTok shop very useful and very beneficial, right? So now the question is, for example, you are having the product. You have watched my previous video, list your first product, and now you want to get sales without paying any money. So you need to register your product as an affiliate product available to sell. So these kind of creator in your niche can actually promote your product, so they can actually get the commission and you can get the sale, right? So now in order to do that, what we have to do is on the top bar, you can see some options here like TikTok shop for sellers, for creators, for partners, right? So if you are a creator and you create TikTok videos and you want to promote someone else's product in your video, so you can get commission and they can get sales, so you have to click on this creator program. But for this video, as we are seller, so we need to click on seller program because we want our product to get promoted by other creators. And if you want to learn about creator program, so I have actually made another video on this topic on this playlist, so you can just go there and watch that, right? So for now, let's just click on sellers, and by clicking on that seller button, I am able to navigate to my TikTok shop seller central homepage. right? So on the left side, you can see that I'm having multiple options. So in order to make your product available for affiliate marketing enrollment, you need to go to your products and then click on manage products, right? So basically, if you want to add a new product, you need to click on this add a new product button. And after adding your product, if you go on manage product, so you will be able to see all of your product listed here, right? So you can see that in this account, I'm having only one product. The product name is Baby Bath Kneeler for boys. This is the product image and this is the SKU. The quantity is 100. The price is 25 pounds. And you can see that this product is basically live on TikTok.com, right? So if I just click on this I button, so on the right side, you can see that this is how my product will look like when someone see on a TikTok shop, right? This will be the product name, this will be the price, and this is my store name and shop now button, right? So if you want to check out that how your product will look like into app for people who want to purchase it, you can just copy that URL and open that URL into your phone. So you can see this product page and your shop page on your TikTok app. So now let's close this and let's see how we can enroll that product into affiliate program. So basically you can see that if I zoom in a little, you can see that commission set. So I have already enrolled that product into that program. But if you are new and you're not seeing this option on your product, so all you have to do is you have to basically select this product, or if you want to select multiple product to enroll, you can just select multiple product as per your wish, right? So after selecting that particular product, you can see this set affiliate button here. So if you click on that button, so here you can see that it is asking you for the percentage that you want to give to your creator, which will be your affiliate. So here you can just put 5% or 10% or even 20%, right? So here you can see that I have already enrolled this product for 20% commission rate. So it's totally up to you whatever commission you want to set. So you can just write that commission here like 20 and then click on apply to one product. So as soon as you click on that button, the 20% commission will be set to your product and your product will be available to that list where all the products for affiliate marketing are available. So for example, if any creator from your category, like this product is Baby Bath Kneeler, so all of those creators who are mom and whose audience are basically baby lover and baby product lover, so when they will be searching for some product to promote on the TikTok account, so they will be able to see your product, and then when they see that you're offering them 20% commission, so they will contact you. So now the question is when they will contact you. So for that purpose, you need to click on this button called Manage Open Plan. So if you click on that, then a new window will open which says open a plan. And if you want to navigate on that window from outside, you can just check on the left side of Affiliate Center. Under the plan, you can see these three options: shop plan, open plan, and target plan. So basically this is the open plan, and you can see that your product Baby Bath Kneeler is basically available for open plan for 20% partnership with any creator who want to become affiliate marketer for that particular product, right? So here you can see that as this product is already enrolled, so on the top side I can see a message like add a WhatsApp account and email address to receive messages from creators. So if you click on add now and if you add your WhatsApp number or email address here, so whenever some TikTok creator are looking for some product to promote, and if they see your product and they're interested in promoting your product, so they can actually reach out to you via WhatsApp or email. So if you put your email or WhatsApp here and then click on save, then your whole process will be completed, and after 2 or 3 days you will start getting message requests from multiple creators who want to promote your product. So basically you have to talk to them and you have to give them access to promote your product, and then if you don't follow any strategy, you follow only this strategy, so you can actually make a good amount of passive income every month without doing anything, because there are creators already present who are having audience and who are ready to promote your product for 20% or 10% commission you are offering to them, right? So now for example, after working for 1 month on this product, you have enrolled total 10 creators to promote that product. So if you want to see the list of all of those creators who are promoting this product, so you can just simply click on this manage creator button, and there you will be able to see the list of all of those creators who are promoting your product. So from there you can just select any creator, edit their commission, or even delete those creators from that list, so they will not be able to promote your product in future. So basically that's how the total interface from A to Z to enroll your TikTok shop product into affiliate program. So you don't have to worry about their product marketing. You only have to focus on finding a new product, keep uploading all of those new products, and get the order and make a lot of money. So now if you want to learn more about TikTok shop, like how to find winning product, how to add product, and how to actually make a lot of money from your TikTok shop with some free tips and tricks, then make sure to watch some other videos in my TikTok playlist so you can actually learn more for free and scale your TikTok shop business. So that's it for today guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.